Well, after plenty of pre-match anticipation, the wait is finally over. My name is Derek. Promises to be a spectacular final. It's Barcelona facing Real Madrid.
Well, it's been a long journey for both these teams, Derek. It's not been easy, but these players are 90 minutes away from making history for themselves. No doubt both managers will set out their game plans and make sure every player knows exactly what their roles are. What a game we have in store for us.
Very much looking forward to this game as Barcelona get the proceedings underway. Well, this is what we think for Barcelona. Marc Andre's taken in goal. Clément Lenglet plays alongside Piqué in the middle of the defence, and rather than use a strike partnership, they've gone with just the one player in attack. Real chance. Will he? Oh, it's in! Real Madrid make the opening statement in the final, and it could be massively important.
Well, you have to ask, where's the defending? The keeper is completely exposed, but he still had to finish it, and he did it really well. It's a good goal.
Barcelona get things going again. A wake-up call for them, perhaps. Sergio Roberto. And Torres on the ball. Possession changes hands, the interception there. Well, that pass easy on the eye. Good technique displayed. And Modric might fancy it. And a goal to increase the lead in this final. Will they be stopped now?
Well, here it is again, and it's all about pace on the counter-attack. They were so quick to break out from their defensive positions, and from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
Well, a second goal for them here. Benzema takes it forward now. There it is! The goals keep coming. No stopping them today.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself, and then what a finish. That's been hit with such power and pace. The keeper has no time to react. It's a brilliant strike.
Is this going to be a thrashing? 3-0 now. Piqué. Depay. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Now they've lost it. Excellent challenge. Benzema. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. Can someone get on the end of this? Well, he was closely marked, but the header well off target. Pedri. Luke de Jong. And Depay on the ball. A very timely interception. Modric. Struggled to keep the ball from Real. Well, what can they do to stop him running at them? Poor pass under no real pressure. Oh, the threat is there. Well, a top-notch piece of defensive judgment. And breaking at pace with Menes. He's in with a chance. Oh, getting boot on ball, but that's disappointing.
Well, there was lots of power in it, but he just couldn't control the shot. That's a very poor finish.
Torres. Luke de Jong. And a strong tackle. Well, he might be onto something. Karim Benzema just needs to keep his composure. Oh, a save of the highest order.
Well, he got his angles absolutely right. What a good save that is.
And they deal with the threat this time. No degree of difficulty at all for the keeper. Jordi Alba. Pedri. And Depay on the ball. And just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages. Good pass. Space and time for the cross. And he read it really well. Fine save. Who's going to get on the end of it? Well, last line of defence, literally. Well, the first 45 minutes after. Well, the ball moving again, and Real very much in charge of this one. Depay. And Real doing well to win it back. Pedri. De Jong. And he takes it on. Determined defending. A goal! He's dispatched it, much to the sheer delight of the fans.
Well, here's the replay. He's got such quick feet, hasn't he? Just look how he goes past his marker to get his shot away. That's a really good goal.
No shortage of goals in this match. 3-1. David Alaba. Oh, he's through here. Well, the danger was on, but just a fraction offside.
Well, as you can see, Barcelona have had most of the ball, but without really creating enough chances. They've almost passed the ball for the sake of it. They need to start getting it into their front players much quicker to get back into this.
It needs an accurate cross. Memphis to 5. Oh, and it goes! Another goal! And I'll tell you what, the impossible is becoming quite possible.
Well, here it is again. The build-up is so patient. They're just waiting to play that killer pass at the right time. And he makes no mistake in the finish. He's shown a lot of composure there.
So back on the way here, and pass up within touching distance. Effective challenge. Torres. Good technique displayed. Karim Benzema in the thick of things. Well, pretty straightforward for the keeper, you've got to say. Sergio Busquets. Advantage Barcelona. Defensive Brazilians to shut them down. There's 20 minutes remaining now. Racing forward, trying to catch them out. Options in the middle. Well, a fantastic counter-attack as they move through the gears, but not a brilliant end product.
Well, everything looked good until the finish. But that shows how dangerous they are on the break.
And a double substitution it's going to be. Aubameyang. Possession one. And showing fine vision. Oh, the equaliser! Just what they needed, and their dream remains very much alive.
Well, as you can see, he doesn't mess about here, does he? He's strong, well-balanced and skillful. That's a top-class finish.
So back underway and level thinking at 3-3. Real Madrid could come up with a winner at this stage. It could be decisive. Cross towards that far post. Must struggle to get it away properly. Well, nothing untoward happened. Jordi Alba. Pedri. And the on the ball. They're getting right on top of their opponents and winning it back. I'm sure he heard the footsteps of his opponent. And we've entered the final 5 minutes. Really inventive stuff from... Chances on. Oh, yes! The goal that might well be decisive. The goal that could give them the trophy.
Well, you have to admire this bit of play. Just look how he runs with the ball. He always looked in control, didn't he? That's a brilliant goal.
Well, how about this? 4-3. Dembele. We are going to have 2 additional minutes. Nicely timed tackle. And it wasn't a great pass, was it? They are making headway, but really they need a goal with time not on their side. And there goes the final whistle. The cup issue is settled. A story of one side celebrating and the other distraught. Memories are being made.
Well, just look at those scenes down there, Derek. What a contrast in emotions. Brilliant for the winners, despair for the losers. But overall, the right team won today.
Yeah, you can see what it means to this tight-knit team. Real solidarity.
Well, this is special for everybody at the club. What a great moment for any young player. And this is what you dream about when you start playing football. When you're playing in the playground, you want to win a cup. Brilliant moment.
Yes, a special moment in the career of any footballer. And now for the trophy lift itself. The cup winners.
Well, you can just see what it means to those players and the manager. That's fantastic stuff.
There's always the element of chance in a cup competition. But my goodness, they've taken the rough with the smooth. And now they savour the moment. Full marks to the entire team. And now they get the chance to exhale and enjoy.
They've been brilliant in this competition, and so have the fans. They've really got behind their team. They've played a big part in this win. Just look at those faces in the crowd. Great stuff.
Really a match made in heaven between players and fans. And these celebrations are going to continue for quite some time. And now the players get to relax a bit and enjoy having the pictures taken.
Well, these photos will be cherished for years to come, won't they? Certainly ones to show the grandchildren.